Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to book Tatkal ticket in IRCTC fast. Firstly, visit irctc.cal.ein, register as an individual user and provide a valid mobile number and email ID, then complete the registration and activate your account. Now go to IRCTC homepage and enter your username and password to log in. Click on Plan My Journey and enter from station to station, date of journey, then ticket type. Select e-ticket, then click Submit. Tatkal booking opens a day before the journey, excluding the day of departure from the train's originating station. AC classes opens at 10 a.m. and non-AC classes opens at 11 a.m. The train list page will appear. Under quota, select Tatkal. Check availability by clicking on the class type, then click Book Now under the desired train. Maximum 4 passengers per PNR for Tatkal e-tickets. Fill in name, age, sex, birth, preferences. Then, senior citizens concession is not available in Tatkal quota. Now enter passenger mobile number to get SMS alerts and enter CAPTCHA verification code, then click Next. The payment page appears. Choose your preferred payment options from net banking, UPI, credit or debit card, IRCTC Wallet, then complete the payment securely. After successful payment, the confirmation page will display. Click on Print ERS to view on print your e-ticket. An SMS with booking details will be sent to your mobile. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.